Hey guys, welcome back. Like I said earlier in my last video, I am getting ready for that car meet in West Palm for the Honda CRX group. It's a car meet out there that I'm taking the CRX. And today, I should start cleaning up. It's gonna be April 14. Anybody who watched this video, I'm gonna go out there and show. So, I'm gonna put my new clean intake back on. Alright, that's done. Now, I'm not talking to you guys. I don't know if I saw you hit like, hit subscribe, but I want to talk to you about this in the junkyard. And if you look at them, they look pretty messed up, huh? Especially this right here. I'll show you how to do that. But first, I want to clean this up. What I'm going to do it, I'm going to try diamonds. The reason I use the diamonds is because you got a lot of. Let's see if diamond can take it out. I see miracles working with this. You know what? First, before I do diamonds, I'm gonna go wash them off. I'll be right back. All right, guys, I got them pretty nice and clean. I'm about to hit this up, and this is Good Speed. I've never heard about that brand. I'm gonna put it on my CRX. I just want to teach you guys that you can recycle some of the stuff that you find in the junkyard if you know what to do. So let's start with one. Let's move this one out of here. And then what we're gonna do? Get a nice torch. Get this thing right here. Put this towards the torch, warm it up. You don't have to do too much. Okay, we get that done. Out of the way. Careful, it's hot. Now, put you right here. Grab it. I'm gonna grab one of these. Put on top of it. Already out one side, you're gonna get the other side out now. We got one of these right here. We put it inside. All right. Get that rubber out of there. Boom, that's done. Okay, we're gonna do the same thing on this guy. Again, you want to warm up the metal inside. That's what I'm doing. this way. All right, that bushing is out. Now, remember these? Keep them. Where the other one went, I don't know. The reason you want to keep these, I don't know where the other one went, is because you want to, in case you cannot find one, you have spares. I'll be right back. Let me go get some of in the back shed and put them on. All right, guys, I'm back. I already did one. Came out really nice. I'll show you how easy it is. After you have it clean, I got some pretty good clean bushing laying around. You don't have to play with them. Usually they don't go that hard in. If you have the grease for them, better. See, that was it. A little bit of grease on the side. Put on top. Press in. That's it. Now it's in. Remember that you might need this in case you can find. I can find one. Boom! I got one. Same thing. See? So I'm gonna put it in. Okay. All right. So right there, I got it done. So a part like this, it cost me only like maybe $30 in the junkyard or less. Like literally, I think it cost me like 23 bucks. That's what it cost me. With a broken bushing right here. Now I have a, I don't know, $60 part that I never had in my CRX, blue. I'm gonna put them on. This is the face out. You know, for 60 bucks, this is kind of messed up right here, so I'm not gonna put it. I'm gonna put this face out. So basically, it's gonna be like this. Boom. And the other side. Boom. And do speed for now. Yeah, I'm gonna put that in my car. These bushings are fine. So basically, I have bushing out the whole deal. I've done this in the past. It's an easy way to save money. So if you go to the junkyard, you find something for your car, and you know you can fix it, bro. Why not grabbing it? Brake connect, pre-unit, whatever you want to do, but get it done. You know what I mean? All right, guys. After you get the jack off, up, you have basically your 1, 2, and 3. They're gonna be number 14. Okay, just one. Two. Three. So I'll show you my arm later, what I did to these. These are OEM, by the way. Let me get the first arm. So I had this in my CRX for over 7 years. You can tell right here in the end it's already cranking, but it has lasted. And to be honest with you, if I have to use this in another build, then I won't have to change this outer bushing. Everything else is okay, but the weight difference between that and this is weight. So I'm gonna put this baby right here. Of course, if you're gonna hit something, get a hammer like this and so I'm done to put him on the back of the car. I needed a 14 screwdriver and a hammer. And these are my old ones. This is for the suspension. I want to keep this. This is for basically sway bar links. These came out of this side, as you can see. Then this are bad. Just both one outside are bad, but everything else pretty good, good looking. Not bad for an 8-year suspension, you know, because I did this 8 years ago, and they're pretty good there. Now the new ones is in. Should give me a better ride technically. Should give me a better ride, but I want to put the car down and show you how the car looks. Alright guys, car is done. Back on the floor. It looks pretty jacked up now. I probably can lower it, but e-brake is on. As soon as I drive, it should go down. Right there, baby. Right there. Got all the suspension done. Have the new bushings done on it. Now that's gonna last me another 8 years, and I'm ready for that long ride to West Palm. See? So yeah, took the e-brake off. Boom. So yeah. So far I got the gas cap on, I got the rear lower control arm, I cleaned my intake. Alright, next video, hopefully working on this to have it ready for the show. Guys, thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing. Hit like, hit share, subscribe. Let's get it on.